Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical which was asked on multi-stage air compressor. This question was asked in GATE 2016 for 2 marks in set 3. The question was asked in 3-stage air compressor. So here they are mentioning that it is a 3-stage air compressor. It is a 3-stage air compressor. So let us concentrate on the question. In a 3-stage air compressor, the inlet pressure is P1, discharge pressure is P4, and the intermediate pressures are P2 and P3, where P2 is less than P3. The total pressure ratio of the compressor is 10. Now here it is a 3-stage compressor. So let us understand this. Let us say the process is compression. If I draw temperature versus entropy diagram, it is reversible adiabatic compression. So for compression process, reversible adiabatic compression process, the entropy remains constant and temperature increases. Therefore here the compression is like this, right? From 1 to 4, from 1 to 4, sorry, here 4, 1 to 4, there is a compression, right? And my dear students, there are intermediate points 2 and 3, and P2 is less than P3. Therefore the 2 point will be somewhere here and 3 point will be somewhere here, right? Means here my dear students, 1 to 2 is one compressor, 2 to 3 is another compressor, and 3 to 4 is another compressor, right? That means there are 3-stage compressor. 1 to 2 first compressor, 2 to 3 second compressor, 3 to 4 third compressor, right? And they are mentioning that the total pressure ratio of the compression is 10. Total pressure ratio, right? RP, which is nothing but maximum pressure P4 divided by minimum pressure P1 is equal to 10. This is given, right? Then, and the pressure ratio for the stages are equal. For each stage pressure ratio is same. Means we can say RP1, which is nothing but P2 divided by P1. Then RP2, pressure ratio of second stage is P3 divided by P2, and pressure ratio of third stage P3 RP3 is equal to P4 divided by P3. And they are saying that RP1 is equal to RP2 is equal to RP3. Pressure ratio for each stage is same, right? Are equal. If P1 is equal to 100 kilopascal, the value of pressure P3 in kilopascal is. Now given data is P1 is equal to 100 kilopascal. Then what will be the P3 in kilopascal? In fill in the blanks, right? You have to type the answer. Here unit is already mentioned. Put P1 in kilopascal, P3 you will get in kilopascal. That answer you have to type. Now let us solve this question, right? Let us solve this question. Now see my dear students, here total pressure ratio RP, which is nothing but P4 divided by P1, can I write is equal to P4 divided by P3 into P3 divided by P2 into P2 divided by P1. Likewise also we can write here P3 will get cancelled, P2 will get cancelled, and it will become P4 divided by P1. Therefore this total pressure ratio is equal to P4 divided by P3 is RP3, P3 divided by P2 is RP2, P2 divided by P1 is RP1, which is equal to RP3 into RP2 into RP1. And pressure ratio in each stage is same, my dear students. Means they are saying RP1 is equal to RP2 is equal to RP3. Therefore we can say this pressure ratio RP is equal to RP1 cube, right? Therefore for any one stage, that is RP1 is equal to RP2 is equal to RP3, for any stage the pressure ratio is cube root of total pressure ratio. Therefore RP1 is equal to RP2 is equal to RP3 is equal to third root of 10. Hence put the value of RP1, RP2 and RP3 here. Therefore RP1 is nothing but P2 divided by P1, which is nothing but under root of third root of 10. Therefore we can say P2 is equal to third root of 10 into P1, which is nothing but equal to third root of 10 into P1. P1 is nothing but given 100 kilopascal, right? It is given in the data 100. The answer will be kilopascal. If P2 is a question, then find this result. But here P3 is question. So let us solve for P3. Again, the pressure ratio 2, RP2 is nothing but P3 divided by P2. Therefore, my dear students, can we write here this P3 is equal to P2 into RP2, which is equal to P3 is equal to P2 is nothing but just now we have calculated third root of 10 into 100, right? And pressure ratio 2 is also third root of 10, right? Therefore P3 is equal to, now put the values and calculate P3. I am waiting for your answer. The answer for this, my dear students, will be 464.16 kilopascal. This is the pressure after second stage, that is P3. So in fill in the blanks you have to type, the answer is 464.16. There is no provision for the unit typing. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see one more numerical on this topic.